Hello, everyone. I'm going to be showing you how to search and register for courses. The first step you want to take is select Manage Classes. And then you want to select Class Search and Enroll. You want to make certain that you select the term in which you are registering for. And then you could simply search or even type in the course that you're looking for if you already know what it is. So in my case, I'm going to select English 101. I see a list of English 101 courses here. And then I'm going to select the course that's the best fit for me, depending on the meeting dates and depending on the time. Majority of the meeting dates are the same. Um, and then I'm going to, select the course that I want. And then I'm going to click next, accept, because I don't need a permission number because I'm registering in advance. And then I'm going to go ahead and select enroll because I don't need to add it to my shopping cart because my enrollment date is already available. And finally, I'm going to click submit. Yes, I am sure. I was not able to sign into this course because I'm on a test trial here, but you shall be able to register. Make sure when you are registering that you do get fully enrolled and that you don't enroll in courses that's waitlisted or closed if you could avoid that. Okay, everyone.